was a winning trade, and I recovered my loss also. Okay, today ended with a good profit. It's a decent winning ratio, and maybe 1-2 was latency losses. My prediction was correct. Okay, now I'm going to give you clear and clarity explanation about all of my trades. So here we can discuss the first trade, and here we can see that I placed here a call option, and now I'm going to tell you that why I placed here a call option. So here we can see that the trend is it's a strong uptrend and it's moving between these levels, right? The buyers are like these and the sellers are respecting this level. Okay, so and also here we can see that here there is a level here and the market broke this level, right? Previously, when the buyers reached this particular level, suddenly that we can see sellers entering. Okay, again a bullish engulfing. Here in this engulfing candle, it's not, I don't find any kind of weakness. It's a strong candle, and we know that the buyers are moving like this, right? The buyers are moving like this, and here in the left side there is a breakout and we found sellers, but suddenly we can see a bullish engulfing candle, and in that particular candle there is no enough weakness. Okay, and after that again a bullish candle. Okay, this one also a continuation sign. Okay, here this particular green candle is a continuation sign because after the breakout, first when the buyers reach the sellers area, we can see sellers entry, but it's only a single candle, and after that suddenly bullish engulfing, and that particular engulfing candle broke this level and again a continuation sign, and in this candle I don't find any kind of proper rejection. And also the next possible reversal area is here. Okay, if you plot a horizontal level, then it is the level, and we know that it is the next seller's possible reversal area. The market will try to reach this particular level. This one also a level. Okay, so if you consider this movement, then this is our level, right? This is our level, and if you plot a level here, then also this is our level. So still there is a gap. I'll show you that. So here to here there is a gap. Okay, so the market will try to fill that gap. So that's the reason why I just go with the trend, and we can see that it was a winning trade. I'll show you that. So I expect this example is clear. So here you can see that it reached the level. So it was a winning trade, and we can discuss the next trade. So here I placed here a call option with some margin of safety, right? This one also a winning trade. It was a green candle. So now I'll tell you that why I placed here a call option. Here we can see that it was like a ranging area, right? After here we can see it's a fake out, it's a fake breakout, and suddenly bullish engulfing candle. It's again a bullish entry. The setup is in the ebook. It's a short concept. So after that we can see that the market is moving like this. Okay, it is making higher highs and lower lows. Okay, the market is moving like this. Okay, so and also if you consider here, it was a ranging area, right? And after that we can see the sellers retested that level. Okay, the sellers retested after the breakout, again 1-2 bullish candles, and here it's a weakness, so again sellers entry. Okay, the sellers retested this particular level, and again a sellers candle, and this was unable to break this level. If it go below of that particular level, then we can't go with buyers here. But just look where these two red candle closed. It's only closed above of this particular level, right? And after that we we can see that there is a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, but sometimes we can expect one error candle here, one retracement also possible here, but here there is a round number, right? So that's the reason why I place it here with some margin of safety. And also here we can see that here also now the market created a level, so when it hit the high probability to reject from this particular level and it will go up. Okay, so I expect this is also clear. So, and the next reason is I told you that in the ebook concept that clearly explained that if you are seeing these kind of movement and if the buyers are making minimum 2 green candles, then here also we can expect that, here also we can expect that. It's clearly every, like each and every rules are clearly explained in the ebook. So it's a ebook concept. Actually this one is a ebook trading concept, so we can see that it's correct. We are like the same setup that we discussed in the ebook. So here we can see that every time here we can see minimum 2 green candle, the market is moving based on that. Okay, so here we can see it's the final result. It was a winning trade. Finally that closed as a bullish candle, and here again I placed it here a call option, and that was also winning trade. I show you that here again I placed it here a call option. It's because I'll tell you the reason. Actually this one is a continuation sign. Okay, that's a continuation sign. Just wait, I'll show you that. Okay, here I placed a call option. Actually this one is a simple concept. Here we know that it is the previous resistance, and now the market crossed this level and suddenly bearish retracement candle, and again a bullish engulfing, and again a green candle, right? So here again once more it was a level and the market cruised and closed above, and it's a bullish engulfing and again a green candle. So it's a continuation sign because after retested again this particular green candle bent up and finally closed as a bullish candle. Okay, I told you that sometimes we can expect one retracement red candle. So if this particular candle is a red candle, then also again we can go with buyers here, because that will act here only a retracement and not a reversal. So here I told you that. Here we can see again once more for the better understanding. So here after this breakout again it's retested and finally this one closed as a bullish candle. Okay, so if it's a bearish candle, then also we can go with buyers here, because it's this one will only act as a retracement. Maybe sometimes rarely we can expect these kind of 2 retracement candle also. Okay, so that's very rare case. So here definitely the market will try to reach the next possible reversal area in the left side. Okay, so that's why still there is a gap. So that's the reason why I placed here a call option, and we can check the result. This was a winning trade. Here this was the trade, and here we can see it is the next possible reversal. So definitely the market will continue to the next level. So here we can see this trade was a winning trade, and here also I think I placed here call option. Okay, this one also a continuation sign. That's the reason why I placed it here a call option, because the trend is moving up here. So that's why I placed it here a call option. And here we can see it's rejecting, but it's again tried to move down also. Finally this one was a loss. I lost my trade here. It was my first loss. So this might be a retracement maybe. And here we can discuss the next trade. Actually, here was this was also another loss, I think, because I placed it here a call option with some margin of safety. But here the market is in consolidation area and it following the green red pattern. So now I again placed a call option. The previous trade was a loss. This was a loss. Here we can see that the market is in consolidation area and it following the green red pattern. Okay, so I placed it here a call option, and this trade was a winning trade. Okay, this was like, this is common in the market sometimes, that will consolidate like this. Don't worry, just you can easily identify this pattern when it's forming, and you can trade. And here also I think I tried to place a call option, but I didn't get the proper entry. Here also the same thing, the market is following the green red pattern, and we can check the final result. So here we can see it was a winning trade, right? That was a winning trade. And here we can discuss the next trade. Yeah, here I placed it here a put option, but my entry was very late here because of the fast momentum. I didn't get a proper entry here. It was very late entry, but my trade was correct here. It's because here we can see, I'll tell you the reason. That here we can see that after this uptrend, here we can see it's not a stable movement, right? It's an aggressive movement of buyers. So if you're seeing something like this in the left side of the market, okay, in the left side of the market, then the same thing that you can expect in the right side too. Okay, in the right side of the market, or you can expect the same thing. Okay, I'm telling the case of these kind of particular movement. If the market travel a long distance like this from a short time like this without any proper retracement, here we can see in this moment only two small doji red candles, right? So if I'm seeing a condition like this in the left side, so in the right side also we can expect like that. The market will definitely try to reach this level. Okay, and also now from this level the market start to reverse, right? And I simply plot a trend line here, and here I found that it's respecting here also, it's respecting here also. Every time we can see it's respecting, and suddenly we can see, but this candle didn't come back to this area. Okay, so here we can't trade there. And when this candle again reached and retested this particular level, I simply placed a put option after seeing this confirmation candle. Okay, this particular red candle is my confirmation candle, and I place it here a put option, and assume that if this red candle hit reject and close like this, I don't place a call option from this position, a put option from this position, because now it's at the bias area, so I don't trade. Okay, I place it here a put option because still there is a gap to the nearest support or nearest bullish entry level. Okay, here is the next support area here. So after seeing this particular confirmation candle, I placed a put option, and that was a winning trade. That's it. So we can discuss the next trade. So this was the previous trade based on that green red pattern. That was also a winning trade. So now I will show you the next trade. So here I placed it here a call option. So now I will explain you that why I took this particular trade. And here you can see this one was a winning trade, right? This one was a winning trade. So now I'll show you the reason that why I took this particular trade. Here we can see that now after this red candle, it reached the support area, right? This support area, and I told you that there is a support area in the previous trade. Right, in the previous trade I clearly draw and show you that if the confirmation candle like the first confirmation close like this, then I don't place a put option from here again. I don't place my order like that, right? And here you can see that from this level we can see some rejection and bullish entry, and again when the market reached this level, it hit reject and made a strong green candle, which means that the buyers are active at that area. Right, the buyers are active at that area. That way we can see suddenly a bullish strong candle, and that was an engulfing. Okay, but again sellers entry to reach the actual area or to retest the actual area again. Okay, and here we can see that now two sellers entry again, and after that we can see that it is a support area, and now the market made a bullish candle from this level, and this particular candle is a reversal sign at the support area. So if you are seeing this particular candle in the support area, it's 100% it's a reversal sign. Okay, 100% means that will give you more accuracy. Sometimes one or two errors, that is common in the market. Okay, because in trading actually there is nothing called 100%. Sometimes you will face some losses. Okay, there is no 100% strategies in the market, so that's a fact. So here it's a reversal sign most of the time, or 95% of the time. Again the next candle will be a green candle, right? So that's why I place it here a call option, because I saw that it's a reversal candle at a support area. Okay, so and already I saw some strong bullish entry from the left side, and that's the reason why I place it here a call option, and that was also a winning trade. So I expect this is also clear. So we can discuss the next trade. Okay, now we can discuss the next trade. Here I place it here a call option, and here we can check the result. I place it here a call option because here we can see that previously in the left side this was a level, right? This was a support area, because we can see some reversal and rejection, and here also when the market reached this area, sellers entry. So previously it was a resistance, and after breakout that will act as a support, and here you can see it got support here. So I place it here a call option because here I saw that when the market reached this particular level, the sellers become very weak. It closed inside of this week. Right, it closed inside of this week, and now there is a bullish candle at the reversal area. It's a support area, right? Now the bullish candle at the support area, so that's the reason why I place it here a call option. And the last moment that it reversed and finally made a red candle, maybe because of this round number, something like that. So when you're trading, that if a confirmation candle is very close to any of the round number, for example here it's a green confirmation candle at the support area, right? So it's a reversal candle at the support, so we have to place a call option here. But if you found any round number very close to your confirmation candle, so this one is a confirmation to go with bias, right? This one is a confirmation to go with bias, but there's a small problem, which is a round number here, and that is very close to our confirmation candle. Okay, it's very close to this confirmation, so it will definitely go up. That will try to go up, but sometimes this one will hit this round number, and from this level it will reject and go down, chance to go down. And the same thing is happened here. Actually this one was a loss. I show you that. Finally this turned to a bearish candle, and this was a loss. So I'll show you that. You can see finally it rejected and went down, and it made me a loss. This was a loss. Show you that. So here we can see that the sellers again going down, right? I think here that we started somewhere around here, and we place it from here. So now I placed another trade and I recovered that. Oh, this was a continuation trade and this was very confirmed trade, so that's why I placed two more orders. And here we can see this was a winning trade, but this indicate that the sellers are not interested here. Actually, after this one, the next one should definitely go up. Sorry, no, go down. Okay, because after this one, the next one should go up, and I place it there also. But after this confirmation candle, the next one should go down, right? Because this is the next possible reversal area here. Okay, this is the next possible reversal area here, and still there is a gap. Otherwise, from this level also the market may chance to go up. I'll show you that. Maybe this may chance to confuse you. Actually, this one is a complicated trade. Okay, now I will explain from here that I plot a line here, right? Two trend line levels here, like by connecting this one, so which means that from here we can expect reversal, and the next one is from here out, so we can expect reversal. So, and here we can see now the buyers become very weak, and here there is a level and it closed inside of this candle, and there is a bearish engulfing, and here also there is a short. I'll show you that. Short means not 100%, but that will give you maybe 90 to 95% of accuracy. So if you are seeing a resistance level like this and the bullish candle closed inside of these levels, and if you are seeing a bearish engulfing candle as a confirmation candle, okay, once more, that we want weakness in the case of bullish candle. Now I'm going to tell you the bearish trading setup. Okay, we want a resistance area and the bullish need to close. The bullish candle needs to close at the resistance, and the next condition is the last bullish candle have to close the wick of the previous green candle. Okay, here we can see the previous green candle made a wick and the last one closed inside of this wick, and here in the left side there is a resistance, and the next condition is after that we want a bearish engulfing candle. We know that the resistance we can expect sellers entry, right? So in the resistance the buyers become very weak. These inside close indicate, if you are seeing an inside close like this, then it indicates the weakness of buyers, plus we want a confirmation candle, and that confirmation should be a bearish engulfing like this. Okay, so now it fulfill all of our condition, because in the left side there is a level and we saw bullish weakness and we saw bearish engulfing. So in this candle that we can confidently go with sellers. Most of the time that will be a winning trade. It's my personal strategy. Okay, it's my personal strategy, and also this is one of my favorite strategy, and the same thing that we can apply in the case of bullish trading setup. I will definitely make a video based on that in the next video as possible. Okay, and this is a trading setup in the ebook. I think that I updated that also. So here after that one, like here we can see that it's a continuation candle. Actually this one was a continuation candle after this confirmation, and it's a continuation candle, and definitely that will try to reach the next possible reversal area. At least that have to come near to the next support area, or at least to this level, or here we can expect a continuation candle. But this was a green candle, which indicate that the buyers are more interested here. So this was winning trade, okay, because of my margin of safety entry. Otherwise I may lose here. So now I will show you the final result. So here we can see this was a winning trade because of my margin of safety entry, and Yeah, after that I place it here a call option because I found that the sellers are not interested now, so I place it here a call option, and you can see that was a actually I placed two trades here. Okay, it was very confirmed trade, that's why I placed two trades, but it only because of the late entry, the first trade, the second trade was a loss, I think. Okay, my prediction was correct here. Okay, you can see that because of this late entry I got a small loss of $18. Okay, that's it. So that is very common in the binary. Again I place two trades of call option, and we can check the result here. Now I made one small loss. I recovered all losses in this trade because again a doji. Now the market is getting very worst. Okay, it's a sign, and I recovered that loss in this trade. But here also I faced 2, 3, 4 trades or loss, but 2 was late entry, I think. Okay, now we can discuss my last trade. So here I expect this is clear, it's nothing here. After this one I expect this is clear, my momentum weakness plus engulfing strategy. So now the bullish momentum is weak because it reached the seller's area and suddenly a bearish engulfing. So it's a sure shot that here we can place a put option and that will be a winning trade. But I don't get that particular opportunity. So here this one is a confirmation candle to again go with sellers because the level is still very far, right? But here it indicates that here suddenly this was a winning trade because of my marginal safety entry. But here this was also a winning trade, but I totally placed two trades here, but one was a late entry loss, only $18 of loss, but a loss is a loss, right? So here actually the both one was winning trade because of late entry I lose, and here again I placed here a call option and both trade were winning trade. It's because I know that the next level is here, somewhere around here, because the market is making new high here, right? It's made a new high here. It's a tendency, the market showing to go up, right? So here it indicates that now the buyers may chance to reverse because there doji, there is no enough buyers to push the market upside. So that's why here I am seeing a doji. So here in this candle also, I placed a call option because this is a confirmation candle to again go with buyers. But if you are seeing these kind of weak candles or doji candles, always try to keep a margin of safety entry because definitely that you will here it indicate an indecision. It's moving up and down like here to here movement, right? So in that movement you may chance to get some late entry issues. So always try to keep a safe entry here. And here this one also a winning trade. I show you that. So here this was the trade. So here we can see it was a winning trade, and here I recovered, and I think I placed one more trade. Okay, here I placed here a call option, two trades. Actually this one was very confirmed trade, that's the reason why I placed here a two trades, and we can see that this one also a winning trade. I will explain you that why I took this particular trade here. Here we can see that previously the movement was like this, right? It was like this, and now there is a bearish breakout. So when market reached this particular level, it's again went up and tried to reach this level, right? And the next thing is that is very important. I will show you that. So here we can see that now the market is moving like this, right? So, and it is the next possible reversal area. It is the next level. Okay, now the market only reached this level, only reached this particular level. Okay, so for the actual sellers area, we know that it is the actual sellers area, right? Or we can expect the market to again retest or to reach this area. Okay, I plot a line here, so definitely the market will try to reach this level and it may chance to go down again, and when it hit this level it may again chance to go up, because previously we saw that the market is respecting this level and it's moving like this. Okay, right, and now they are trying to create a, I mean, here we saw two levels, and now also they are trying to make or move based on like this. Okay, now they are respecting or they are moving based on these two levels. It is getting support from this level. Just wait, I'll try it clear. So it is getting support from this level and it is getting resistance from this level. Okay, like this maybe. So here the overall trend is uptrend, so it's better to go with buyers, because definitely that will try to retest at least this level. It will again go up, okay, to retest that level, and this is a strong candle and it's a continuation sign because it didn't reach at the actual resistance area. If it reached the actual resistance or if it retested the actual resistance, then I don't place a call option here. Okay, so this was a winning trade and you can see that it was the result. So definitely the market will reach this level at least, I know that. So that's why I placed it here a call option, and we can see that was also winning trade and I recovered my lows also. Okay, today ended with a good profit. It's a decent winning ratio, and maybe 1-2 was latency losses. My prediction was correct. So I told you that this one will at least try to retest this level, right? Here we can see that when it retesting, it is getting rejection, right? So that's the candlestick psychology. So I expect this video is useful for all of you, and if you have any doubts that you can ask me, and the contact details from the description. If you have maybe some people have some doubts, maybe you are beginners, I don't know, maybe some intermediate level also. If you have any doubts you can ask me, because in the binary option the price action is the king. Okay, if you know about the price action, that's enough, because some people are using some indicators that that's useless. Don't use such indicators. There is no need to use any kind of indicators, right? So if you know the price action, then that's enough. That's the king of binary option. The price action is the king of binary option. Okay, so that's it. So I expect this video is useful. So that's it, and any doubts you can message me, no problem. I will definitely clear your